Salam everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I'm really happy because I went to Safari and Safari restaurant. I think that's the name, and something happened. I went to visit Mustafa's shop, one of the best Somali tailor in the town. And something really nice happened to me. I'm really excited. And before starting the video, I would like you guys to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. All right, like, comment and share this video. Okay, so guys, today I'm in Somali shop making my dress, and they are making for me some beautiful dresses because I'm traveling soon, inshallah. And I'm here with Mustafa and we have another brother called Ali. He's making my dress too. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm gonna show you my dresses, how they are doing it and everything. No. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Yeah. Wow. Cute? Nice. Yes.
Dress, huh?
Yes, I love it.
وفي عنا هاي الحمد لله ما شاء الله. تملك حوا channel. Like, subscribe, share, comment. حوا تملك half Somalia, half Guinea. تملك Somalia and Guinea.
Exactly.
All Guinea you say Seta.
Seta here. Okay. No problem.
Okay?
Okay.
ما شاء الله ما له شيء ما شاء الله. سلم
هذا المرت سوق شكل عمك تاني اوكي نفارق يا وا وين طالع الدكتور يا وا المرت كلها كل يسوى سوق شنو يسوى ما الو خلاص
حتى ما اكل فوق شيء.
So happy. Look at my dress. Like it's so beautiful. Guess who did it for me? Ali, thank you so much. And
like us
Mustafa also.
Nunca Taylor Kuala Lumpur Safari restaurant coming.
Yes.
All people
Talk in Somali. Somali.
خفوا البو علشان عندنا وكي حاول ريسكيد وكنا لوك ماذا سفاري ريستورانت واي نونكا واي سودوبادا ما شاء الله تبارك الله ونيل سودوبينا ان شاء الله وطنا حاول كستم ثين واي from Guinea واي يعني from Somalia واي لخد Somali واي لخد اذا نيسو ترجمه ماشي بسخوريسا بس انجليش بسخوريسا.
I don't know what he's saying, yo. I don't speak Somali, so I don't know.
Little.
Only little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know few words like Setahe, Mofantahe, and Mustafa. So yeah, guys.
You know Wakuchala?
Beautiful?
No. Wakuchala.
Love you?
Yes.
Yes, I know.
ما في عن تايم فديسو صعو.
Alright, I guess I have to learn to manage. Making now another dress for me, and this is looking so nice, so far. I can wait to try it on. Wow, mashallah, nice. So look guys, Like so pretty, yo. Seriously, Mustafa, I can't thank you enough, man. This is amazing. So thank you so much, Mustafa and Ali. They are the one who made this for me. I love the dress, yo. I'm so excited. Look, dress number 2. It's so pretty, like I'm just in love with these beautiful dresses. You know what I mean? Look at these two guys. All of these are made by Ali and Mustafa. So guys, let's just tell me something. Let me tell you something. If you want a beautiful dresses like this for your wife, for your your sister, just go to Safari restaurant. All right, Safari restaurant, you ask where is Mustafa's shop, they will show you. You can find it on GrabCar, and you know, just go there with your fabric, nice fabric. If you are looking for, like, I think Chicken Mall, they have a fabric shop there. You can buy beautiful fabrics and bring to Mustafa's shop. They will make you like a beautiful dresses like this. So yeah, I think you're gonna love it. And the last one, it's a simple jacket, and this is how it looks like. You see? It's really beautiful, yo. I'm tired of trying on, so I will just wear this with this. And this is how it looks like. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video, and please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all right? And share it. See you next time. Bye bye.